Let me ask you something. Have you ever been somewhere that feels like it was made just for summer? Somewhere with clear blue skies, warm sunshine, colorful streets, and the kind of water that makes you want to jump in fully clothed. Well, welcome to Malta, a small but beautiful island right in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea, just south of Italy. Malta is more than just beaches. It's packed with stories, history, fresh seafood, and views that will stop you in your tracks. In just 1 week, you can explore ancient cities, sail to hidden caves, walk along waterfronts, and soak in sunsets that feels like a dream. So if you are thinking of where to go this summer, don't worry on this one. Malta might just be the one for you. Come along as we explore the very best of Maltese Island. I'll show you why Malta is worth every second of your summer. Let's begin with Valletta. Valletta is the kind of place that makes you slow down and stare. It's not just the capital of Malta. It's like walking through a history book that somehow feels alive. Here is a list of sites you shouldn't miss in Valletta. This huge bronze bell was built to honor those that died during World War II. It's on a quiet hill with one of the best sea views in the city. And when the bell rings, it's powerful like the island remembers its past. St. John's Co Cathedral may look plain on the outside, but step in and be wowed. Like it's got gold, marble, paintings, it's like every inch is art. Don't miss those famous paintings hidden inside. You should think of Valletta's waterfront as the city's relaxing front porch. Old buildings turned into restaurants and shops right by the water. It's a perfect place for a slow dinner or an evening walk with friends or even solo. The Lower Baraka Gardens is a quiet spot to catch your breath and enjoy the harbour view. There are lots of benches and just enough shade. Then there is Baraka Lift, which is actually not just a lift, but it's the quickest and coolest way to go from the lower city up to the upper gardens, and the ride is less than a minute. Upper Baraka Gardens is where you get the postcard view of Valletta. You'll see boats, forts, and open sea. You should make your way to the Valletta food market, as the indoor market has stalls for everything, especially multi snacks, pastries, pasta, wine, and lots more. It's fun, affordable, and a great place to try local flavors. A simple but striking statue that looks over the city is the Christ Our Savior monument. It's one of those quiet spots where you just feel the peace of the place. Now moving over to Gozo. Gozo is like Malta's chill little sibling. It's greener, slower, and feels more like the countryside. You need to take a boat to get there, which is a fun ride on its own. Here is what makes Gozo special. This is an old fortress sitting high on a hill. You should walk along the walls and you see the whole island stretching out below you. Inside the Citadella are quiet alleys, small museums, and peaceful corners. This basilica is one of the most important churches in Malta. It's big, beautiful, and stands alone in the countryside. Even if you are not religious, the silence and views here are worth the stop. If you love the sea, you should go on a boat cruise here in Gozo. You'll sail past cliffs and rock formations. You just have to enjoy this clear water, probably the clearest you've ever seen. Schlendi is a cute bay with places to swim, eat, and relax. If you're up for a walk, the heritage trail along the cliffs actually gives you an amazing view of the sea. This cave is perched high above Ramla Bay and gives one of the best views in Gozo. It's the perfect photo spot. Just be careful of the sun's direction. But then it feels like a secret window looking out over the world. If you're enjoying this video, take a second to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides just like this. Having explored Valletta and Gozo, our next stop will be St. Paul's Bay. St. Paul's Bay is perfect for a chilled out day. It has the right mix of family fun, beach time, and modern comfort. Here is what makes St. Paul's Bay special. The Malta National Aquarium is fun for all ages. You should walk through the glass tunnels and see fish swimming all around you. The deep Espera section feels like diving underwater without getting wet. Once you step out of the National Aquarium, you will find this stylish spot by the sea. It's popular for its pool, music, and drinks. Even if you just stop for a 5-second Instagram story, it's definitely worth it. Ara Beach Point is one of the beautiful beaches in the area. It's got clear water and good vibes all around. Now moving over to Mdina and Rabat. Mdina is called the Silent City for a reason. It's calm, peaceful, and full of narrow streets that looks like they haven't changed in centuries. Rabat is its neighbor, and together they give you a taste of old Malta. Once you are in Mdina, you should stop by at a glass shop. It's famous for hand-blown glass in all kinds of colors and shapes. There's a beautiful church right in the center of Mdina. Inside, it's grand and elegant with paintings and carvings that tell stories from Malta's history, and that's St. Paul's Cathedral. Walk along the city walls in Mdina to find this terrace, and you'll get views like this. It's quiet, open, and peaceful. And the second St. Paul's Cathedral is at Rabat, just down the road from Mdina. This one is somewhat less touristy, but it's beautiful as well, especially if you like exploring historical churches. And our final destination in Malta will be Marsaxlokk. This one is at the southern part of Malta. It's a charming village that looks like something out of a painting. What makes this place stand out is the calm sea, the colorful fishing boats, and the way it feels like time moves slower here. The view at the waterfront is actually so stunning, especially in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun hits just right. It's everyday life here, but it feels so special. Also, Marsaxlokk is known for its fresh seafood, so the restaurant along the waterfront served fish that was probably swimming in the sea just hours earlier. So you should pick a spot with outdoor sitting area and enjoy your meal with a sea breeze and a view. It's simple, relaxing, and honestly one of the best ways to enjoy your week in Malta. And there you have it, Malta in one amazing week. Malta may be a small island, but it's full of history and beauty in every corner. So if you're planning your summer trip and you want a mix of fun, culture, relaxation, and sunshine, you should pack your bags. Malta is waiting. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more travel content.